Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. From this video onwards, we will start working on the features of our assistant. Today we will be focusing on the open command features. In the open feature, we will enable our assistant to launch various applications like Notepad, Chrome and more. For instance, if I say open Notepad, the assistant will open Notepad. And the same will apply to other applications installed on the system. Before we dive into implementing these features, first make a few modifications in this command.py file. In the previous video we created this take command function. Now we will create another function called all commands where we will define all the commands in one place. So here's how to do it. First here type def all commands. Next we will move this yield.expose decorator from this take command function to this all commands, and then copy this function name and navigate to this main.js file. Here in this mic button event handler we was calling this take command function, so change this name to all commands. Now return back to command.py file. Now in this function we want to handle the open command. So first we will capture the query from the assistant, which is speech input converted to text. So to do this, here first create a variable and name it query, and here pass this same take command function. So here type take command and put the parentheses. So we are calling this take command function to retrieve the query, and for the testing purpose here print this same variable query. And let's save the file and run the project to see it in action. Here first click on main.py file and then here to run the project file. Click on this. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
As you can see, the assistant spoke back exactly what I said. However, for this feature, we don't want the assistant to repeat everything I say. Instead, it should only respond when necessary. To achieve this, we will need to remove the function that causes it to speak back every command. Okay, so first kill the terminal and in command.py, comment this speak function, as we don't want the assistant to repeat everything back. Also, let's comment out the section where we were printing voices, since we don't need unnecessary output cluttering the command prompt. So here comment this statement. Next, we need to handle the open command. To do this, we will target the word open in the user's query. This means whenever the word open is found in the query, a specific condition will be triggered. To achieve this, we will use an if statement here. So here write if open in query, and for now I will just put a simple print statement here. So here write print I run, and then here in else print not run. Now test it. Open YouTube. As you can see, it printed I run in the console, which means the if condition was correctly triggered. And also change one thing. Here open main.js file and here change the width of Siri wave to 800. Okay, save the file and close it. Now let's create an actual open command function. This function will reside in features.py file. So I have already this function, so just use it. Here copy this function and paste it here. Here are double dots, remove one dot, and then this is the speak function. So first import it from engine.command import speak. So here I created a variable which is assistant name. This is because if I say Sophia open notepad, so there is a word Sophia, we need to replace it with empty string. So here create a new file in engine and name it config.py, and here write, first copy this assistant name and here write Sophia. Now import it here. Now the question is why I didn't write here Sophia, why I write here assistant name and then create a new file config.py and there I define the variable which is Sophia. So this is because we will create an activation function and whenever we say Sophia then it will activate. And then we will also replace this open word with empty string. Like when we say open notepad, then we have to replace open with empty string as we just want the word notepad. Then this statement will convert the entire query to lowercase to ensure consistency. Then here we are checking the query is not empty. And if the query is not empty, we will use the speak function to announce what the assistant is doing, like opening notepad. The os.system function allows us to execute system commands as if they were entered in command prompt. Like here open the terminal and here write start notepad. So you can see the notepad has been opened. Okay, so exactly same thing is doing by this statement. And in if block, if the query not found, then it will simply speak query not found. Okay. And here is also mistake, correct it. Okay, now save the file and now import this function in command.py. In this if block, here first import the function from engine.features, import open command and here call the function open command and here pass the same query variable. Now let's test the project. Click on this icon. Open Notepad.
Opening Notepad.
So you can see the Notepad has been opened and this function will work same for other applications installed on this system. And that's it for this part. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.